What's up everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm showing you how to attach pop-ups to widgets and make them appear on a button click. First of all, let's add a widget with a button. I chose the animated box. Here it goes, so I've got a button here on the other side of my animated box. Then in order to add a pop-up to this widget, I need to go to Advanced and find the JetPopup tab. Here I can choose the pop-up template that I want to attach. Let it be this one. And the trigger type will be click button. And I simply press publish. And then I will go and have a look at the preview and check whether the pop-up works. So here's the animated box. So I click on the button and I see the pop-up appearing on my page. So here is how easy it is to attach pop-ups to your widgets and make them appear on the button click. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.